Good day, everybody. We're here at Greenup, Kentucky at the old-fashioned days. Trying to cool Mr. Manis off over here. Running our 1918 economy air conditioner. This old motor belongs to my Uncle Dave and Mr. Brumfield. And one day he brought it over to me and said, "Here, I need you to make this thing look like something and shine it up and take it to the show." So here we are. 100 years ago they built this booger. But it does a good job, runs real good. Been running 2 days now on the same gallon of gasoline. So fuel economy, that ain't nothing new anymore. But you guys enjoy the show.